How to copy Gmail account link and email link. So if you want to copy your Gmail account link or your email link or URL, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser, any browser that you are comfortable with, and I'm here with my Chrome browser. Once you're on your browser, you need to just go with your new tab, and here you need to search for Gmail. After searching, you need to go with mail.google.com. After that, you need to log in to your mail. After logging into your mail, now here you will have your mail, right? So if you want to copy the Gmail account link, then you need to go with the top search and tap on the pencil shaped icon, and this is your link. So you need to just go with mail.google.com/mail/mu and this number. So this is your link. You can either copy the link by tapping on copy, which is right beside the pencil shaped icon. Once you tap on it, it will be copied. Now if you go back and then again paste the same link and go with search, it will take you to the same kind of interface. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.